Hi students, welcome to third standard social class video session, lesson 7, the story of communication. Today we are going to learn about how did communication start. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn lesson 7, the story of communication. Topic, how did communication start? Before going to this topic, to recall our previous knowledge by doing this activity. Write the names of the means of communication given below. Here you see there are 4 pictures. You have to say what means of communication is this. Let us check our answer. The first means of communication is newspaper. The second means of communication is computer. The third one is television, and the fourth one is radio. Now we are get into the concept, how did communication start? Over the ages, human beings have used different methods to communicate. In the beginning, when there was no language as we know it, humans used different sounds and signs to give messages to each other. Sometimes they travel on foot or on animal to deliver messages. Early humans, they don't know any languages, so they use different sounds and signs to give messages to each other. Many tribes used to beat drums, which could be heard across the jungle to send messages. Some people used to light fires and send smoke signals by flapping a blanket over it. Some tribal people used to light fires and send smoke signal by flapping a blanket over it. People also used pigeons to send messages. They were specially trained. Messages were attached to the feet of these birds. They flew from one place to another to deliver the message. These birds could carry messages over very long distances also. In course of time, people started exchanging message through letters. Gradually, a postal service system developed and letters began to be sent through post all over the world. Humans are naturally very social beings, and the way we communicate is vital aspect of our lives. More importantly, communicating over long distances is something that people once struggled with, but thanks to recent advances in technology, it is much easier for us today. Where we once relied on smoke signals and even carrier pigeons, we have many more options now. Early humans could express thoughts and feelings by means of speech or by signs and gestures. They could signal with fire and smoke, drums or whistles. Children, you have to circle 4 words related to post office in the grid given below. The words are postman, stamp, letter, post box. Shall we learn some more information about post office? Post offices are found in every city, town and village. A post office is a very important place. It changes a nominal for carrying our letters and parcels from one place to the other. It helps us keep in touch with our friends and relatives who stay in far off places. A post office is a public facility that provides mail services, including accepting of letters and parcels, providing post office boxes, and selling postage stamps, packaging, and stationeries. Post office may also offer additional services which vary by country.
I hope you got clear information about how did communication start. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.